Hello and welcome again, everyone, to another edition in our JavaScript lesson. We've talked a lot about JavaScript and we have seen, we've tried to see some basic things like syntax, like output, expression, um, statements, and some other things as a beginner because it's a series. As we continue progress, we are going to be seeing more and more things that we can learn, things that we should know, and what we can do with JavaScript as a language itself. So today, let's just examine what JavaScript keywords are. So there are a list of keywords in JavaScript. Not something that you can memorize. You don't even need to memorize them. You just need to know what they do when you need them. So I have a list here with me. I've talked about that keywords are just special words in JavaScript. They are words that are peculiar to the language itself to do things like, perform from to perform to perform things in the language like a method, like properties. So those are keywords. So here I have a list of keywords in this slide where I just want to explain a little bit about what each of them, what they do. So basically, the first one here is var. Var is used to declare a variable. In the other JavaScript, var used to be the normal way to declare variable, but due to scope issue and a lot of inconsistency that it can cause in the code, in EX15 upward, the modern JavaScript, it has been discarded. Though it is existing, but it's not a recommended way of declaring your variable. So the recommended ones are the let and the const keyword. So they produce a consistent and predictable behavior rather than using var in your code. Then we have let, it declares a block variable. We have const, it declares a const variable, a block variable, which means that var, let, and const are keywords in JavaScript, two which you can declare variable. And each of them, it does the same thing, which is using them for declaring variable, even though their behavior differs. For example, now, when you declare a variable with constant, you cannot change the value of that constant and you cannot reassign it. In let, you can reassign the value, but you cannot redeclare the variable. But in var, allows you to declare, to update, and do a lot of things, which can produce a lot of unpredictable behavior in your code. And it is the reason why it is not recommended as a way to declare your variable. Then we have if. If is another keyword in JavaScript that allows you to mark a block of statement to be executed on a condition, which is a way to instruct your code on what to do if some certain criteria or conditions are met, and what not to do if those conditions and certain criteria are not met. So we'll continue in the next lesson to see and explain and talk about other JavaScript keywords that we have on this slide. So thank you. I see you.